Hi to everyone. Today we are going to discuss the subject COSM. COSM full form is Computer Oriented Statistical Methods. In this subject, Unit 1 has a two chapters. First chapter is probability. Second chapter is random variables and probability distributions. We discuss the first chapter, probability. To define the probability definition, we need some other definitions which are related to probability. In this, first is random experiment. So now we are going to define the random experiment definition. If an experiment, if an experiment conducted any number of times, any number of times, that means you conduct the experiment any number of times under same conditions under same conditions result of experiment result of experiment is not certain. So what it means result of experiment is not certain means, for example, we are tossing coin. Can you say exactly what is the result? It may be head or it may be tail. We cannot say exact. So that is nothing but result of experiment is not certain and and result is any one of possible outcome of experiment. That means when you toss the coin, what are the outcomes, chances outcomes? Head, tail. So result is any one of the possible outcome. That means tossing coin, possible outcomes are the what? Head, tail. So any one result will get, only one of the result will get. So that only this sentence indicates. Result is any one of possible outcome of experiment. So this is the definition of the random experiment. In the random experiment, there are three conditions you observe carefully. Experiment conducted any number of times under the same conditions. That means first experiment in which you are conducted, the second also you have to do same condition. The conditions are identical. Second, result of experiment is not certain. We cannot say exactly what is the result. And third, result is any one of the possible outcome. So when you tossing coin, possible outcomes are head, tail. So you will get only one result, either head or tail. So this is the definition of the random experiment. Now we discuss the what is trial. So the trial is just now we have discussed that random experiment. The random experiment conducted any number of times. For example, random experiment conducted 10 times. So each time is called one trial. So if the random experiment conducted 10 times, that means 10 trials are happened. So that means we give definition like this. Each performance each performance in random experiment is called trial. So 10 times random experiment conducted means each time is called as a one trial. So now next we will come to the definition. Sample space. So what is a sample space means? The set of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called as a sample space. For example, you are tossing a coin. What are the chances? Head, tail. So this head, tail are the possible outcomes. If you write that head, tail in the one set, that set is called as a sample space. So we give you a definition. The set of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called sample space. Now the sample space is denoted by the capital letter S. It is denoted by the letter capital S. That means S is a set which contains all the possible outcomes of an experiment. To understand this, we take some examples. When coin is tossed, when coin is tossed, then sample space. So when coin is tossed, what are the possible outcomes? Head, tail. There may be chance for head, there may be chance for tail. So there are two possible outcomes. So head comma tail, write them in one set. So this is a sample space. Okay. So now this is about the sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called as a sample space. Example, when a coin is tossed, what are the chances? Head, tail. That means you write that two in the set. So S is nothing but the head comma tail. This S is a sample space. So now this coin, tossing coin, we will discuss this little bit detailedly. For example, when one coin is tossed, then sample space. Just now you know what is that? All possible outcomes, head, tail. So how many elements in this set? This set contains the 2 power, how many elements? 2 elements. 2 elements, we can write 2 power 1. So, for example, when two coins are tossed, then sample space. When two coins are tossed to sample space, so we will write what are the outcomes. You may get head, first coin head, second coin also head, or first coin head, second coin tail, or first coin tail, second coin head, or both tail tail. So write them in one set. So this is a how many elements? So this is a sample space which contains the four elements. Which contains the four elements. Four elements we can write. Four elements we can write as a what? 2 square. Okay. In the similar way, one coin tossed 2 power 1 number of elements in the sample space. Two coins tossed, what is the sample space? How many elements contains? 2 square elements contains. When up to so on, when n coins are tossed, then sample space contains how many elements? Sample space contains 2 power n elements. Okay, this is the detail about the when one coin tossed, two coins tossed, or n coins tossed. There is a sample space contains 2 power n elements. That means 2 power n possible outcomes will be there when n coins are tossed. That is meaning. So here one more note point. What is that note means? N coins tossed, n coins tossed at a time, n coins tossed at a time is equal to one coin tossed n times. So n coins tossed at a time, one coin tossed n times, the sample space contains the same number of elements. Okay, so remember this carefully. N coins tossed at a time, one coin tossed n times, sample space contains the same elements. In both cases, sample space contains same number of elements, same number of elements 2 power n. Okay, so this is about the when n coins tossed, one coin tossed, the sample space is the same. Sample space means you just remember possible outcomes. All possible outcomes is nothing but the sample space. Now we take example of die. So if one die thrown, then sample space, yes, So when you throw the die, what are the possible outcomes? Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the sample space S contains the 6 elements. So that is nothing but you can write number of elements, or you simply write number of elements in the sample space is 6. If two dice two dice thrown, then sample space if two dice are thrown, then what is the sample space? Yes. So before that we will write detailing what are the possible outcomes. On first die 1, second die is also 1. First die 1, second die 2. Outcome on first die 1, second die 3. Up to so on, first die 1, second die 6. Another possibility, first die 2, second die 1. First die 2, second die 2. Up to so on like this, maybe possible outcomes, first die 2, second die 6. Like this, uh, first die 6, second die 1. First die 6, second die 2. Up to so on, first die 6, second die 6. So this total set is nothing but sample space. So when you come to this set, how many elements will be present? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to some 6 elements. 1, 2, 3 up to some 6. 6 6 are 36. So the sample space contains the 36 elements. This 36 you can write 6 square. This 6 you can write 6 power 1. So when one die thrown, number of elements is 6 power 1. When two dice thrown, number of elements 6 square. If n dice thrown, number of elements in sample space is 6 power n. One die thrown, sample space elements 6 power 1. Two dice thrown, number of elements in sample space 6 square. If n dice thrown, number of elements in sample space 6 power n. So this is about the when you take the die, what are the possible outcomes? One die, 6 outcomes, possible outcomes. Two dice thrown, possible outcomes are 36 possible outcomes. That possible outcomes only we are calling as a sample space. So next, here note one point. N dice thrown at a time is equal to one die thrown n times. N dice thrown at a time is equal to one die thrown n times. Both sample space have the same number of elements. Both sample space have same number of elements, same number of elements, 6 power n only. So n die is thrown at a time or one die thrown n times, both have the same number of elements, 6 power n. So this is about the die.